It's been 1 year since Huawei launched its last P series flagship smartphone, the Huawei P50 Pro, and today we are going to talk about how good and significant the device is still after 1 year. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. First of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. Huawei P50 Pro was one of the most beautiful, gorgeous and premium looking smartphone when it was launched, and it is still one of the most beautiful smartphone and the most premium looking device currently in the market. The uniformly curved edges on the front and back glass panel, a very glamorous premium looking back panel paint job, and a very unique and beautiful camera module still makes the Huawei P50 Pro one of the most beautiful and premium looking device. Like all other Huawei flagship smartphones, the build quality is pretty solid. It comes with IP68 water resistance. The aluminum frame is very thin and the glasses used on the device are the world's first high aluminum lithium glass, made by BYD Electronics in collaboration with Huawei. It also comes with an under-display speaker that can be used as the earpiece, and this feature you will rarely find on other smartphones. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, Huawei P50 Pro is still one of the most beautiful and premium looking smartphone even after 1 year of its launch. It comes with a 6.6-inch OLED screen with curved edges, 2700 x 1228 pixels resolution that will provide 450 ppi, and because of that, the display is very sharp of Huawei P50 Pro. It comes with 10-bit color support, up to 120Hz refresh rate, up to 300Hz touch sampling rate, and HDR10 Plus support, along with wideband L1 DRM support as well. So still after 1 year, the specs of the display of Huawei P50 Pro is one of the best and equal to any other flagship smartphones available in 2022. The only thing missing here is that the refresh rate of the display does not go below 60Hz like other flagship smartphones of 2022, where the refresh rate can go as low as 1Hz. With 750 nits maximum brightness, the display of Huawei P50 Pro is very bright and can be used in bright sunny outdoors without facing any issue. The display color profile switches between DCI-P3 and sRGB automatically depending on the content being displayed on the screen, and the color accuracy of Huawei P50 Pro is also quite high with an average delta E of 2.2. So still in 2022, the display of Huawei P50 Pro is one of the best and comes with the best specs and performance in terms of display. Huawei P50 Pro comes with 4360 mAh battery. It is a bit low compared to some other flagship smartphones of 2022, but still the battery performance is quite nice, and you will get around 7 hours of screen on time on moderate usage easily. It also comes with 66 watt Huawei supercharged charger and 50 watt wireless supercharged technology. Once again, compared to some other flagship smartphones of 2022, 66 watt charging is a bit slow, but there are many other flagship smartphones, especially from Samsung and Apple, that are way slower in charging speed compared to Huawei P50 Pro's 66 watt charging. So even after 1 year, Huawei P50 Pro, if not among the best, it's not among the worst as well in terms of charging speed on flagship smartphones. P50 Pro comes with stereo speaker setup that is quite loud, and the audio quality is pretty nice as well. The sound is rich, clean, and you can hear good amount of bass as well coming out of the speakers of Huawei P50 Pro. Huawei P50 Pro comes with Emotion UI 12 with Android 11 at its core. As we have always seen, Emotion UI is very feature rich. It comes with lots of options, settings and features that you can use to improve your productivity and improve your user experience while using Huawei smartphones. If you are a tech enthusiast, then you must be knowing that Huawei devices recently do not come with the Google Play services, and this is one of the drawbacks and actually the biggest drawback of Huawei P50 Pro. Because of the lack of Google Play services, you won't be able to use some of your favorite application on the device, but Huawei is working more and more with app developers to bring your favorite smartphone apps to the Huawei's app gallery, and many of the apps are available now there. And instead of using the popular Google applications like Google Maps, Google Search and Chrome browser, on Huawei P50 Pro you can use the Huawei's Petal Maps, Petal Search and the Huawei browser to do your daily course on your smartphone. And you can also use third-party app stores to download and install Android applications on Huawei P50 Pro, and majority of them will run smoothly even with the lack of Google Play services. The P50 Pro comes with an optical under-display fingerprint scanner that is very fast and pretty reliable when it comes to accuracy. Huawei P50 Pro also comes with an IR blaster that you won't find on many flagship smartphones these days. In terms of hardware specs, Huawei P50 Pro comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, but the variant is 4G only, and so 5G connectivity is not available on Huawei P50 Pro. That is kind of bummer because majority of the flagship and upper mid-range smartphones these days totally support 5G connectivity. But once again, this is not Huawei's fault, and it is happening because of the sanction applied on Huawei that is causing the lack of 5G connectivity and Google Play services on Huawei P50 Pro. In terms of performance, Snapdragon 888 is still a pretty solid SoC, and you will get a lagless, smooth user experience in your daily life, whether you are doing multitasking, playing some high-end games, or just browsing the internet and going through your social media apps. The gaming performance of the device is also pretty solid because of the Adreno 660 GPU we got on Huawei P50 Pro. Of course, this is 1 year old SoC and GPU in 2022, but still in terms of performance, it is pretty solid and provides a flagship smartphone experience on Huawei P50 Pro. Now talking about the camera, Huawei P50 Pro is still one of the best performing camera smartphone even after 1 year of its launch. It is also among the few smartphones that come with a dedicated monochrome lens in their camera setup. It comes with a 50 megapixel primary camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 40 megapixel black and white monochrome lens, and a 64 megapixel periscope lens for 3.5x optical zoom. The camera performance is brilliant in every aspect, whether it's daylight imaging, low light imaging, wide angle photography, or taking images of macro objects. You will always get superior pictures with the minimal effort on Huawei P50 Pro, and the camera performance of Huawei P50 Pro can easily compete with any flagship smartphone of 2022. So overall, after 1 year of its launch, Huawei P50 Pro is still a pretty solid flagship smartphone that you must consider if you want a premium looking smartphone in your hand that comes with great build quality, brilliant display and amazing camera performance. Compared to other flagship smartphones in 2022, Huawei P50 Pro lags behind for not having 5G connectivity, Google Play services, a bit lower battery capacity, and how low the screen refresh rate can go. In all other things, Huawei P50 Pro is either superior or as good as the flagship smartphones of 2022 for sure. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.